if you could feel it, but I was giving you a high five on the beats. I was no other way.
Boom. Boom. I think it works.
Welcome, everybody. I'm Jen.
And I'm Ken.
And this is Ken. And Ken knows basically everything there is to know about cleaning products, and really the science and the smarty pants things that go along with it. Isn't that right, Ken?
There are some smarty pants things that go with it, but believe me, it's not important that I know it, as the people I know that I talk to know it.
That's right. He's going to give us his brilliant knowledge. And today we are talking about something near and dear to my heart, laundry.
It is a talk about laundry. We've talked about a couple different things already, but today is a very important subject with laundry cleaning. It's about cleaning. It's about actual cleaning with laundry detergent. And
because we want to know that our product is actually working, right? Is that what you're focused on today?
That is absolutely correct. You're just walking through my brain again. I must be transparent or something, because you're always like one step ahead of me when I start talking.
You're a good guy. So we're right on that level, you know.
You won't see anything dangerous inside there today. I think my mind is pretty clean. So that's good. All good. So yeah, but without any further ado, we can jump into our topic today. And I started out with this because this is something I think every parent, or probably every kid, has done to their parents. You know, how clean is kind of my heading on here. But if you're the parent, you might be doing the laundry and say, "Hey, I just washed this. What is this doing back in the laundry, Jen?"
It doesn't look clean.
Okay, so that begs the question: how clean is clean? What do we really know is clean?
We have something called the smell test in my house, which is a dangerous game.
That's actually not a bad thing, I guess, as a very baseline issue. But we're going to get into that in the next couple of weeks. Again, you're walking through my brain. We'll get to that part of it as well. But let's just go with cleaning right off the bat on this thing. So if we were to talk about cleaning, but before we get to that, we were talking last week about microfibers. We were talking about plastic. We're talking about a lot of these things that this incredible laundry formula, our Healthier Home Laundry Detergent packs, really solves. And while it's great to talk about the 100% plastic-free packaging and how it addresses microplasticizing and how it helps keep colors vibrant, you can go to the next page, Bess. I guarantee you the number one thing in consumer studies with laundry is cleaning. Cleaning is king. So it's great to have all those other attributes. So I wanted to just jump into this a little bit, Jen, and talk a little bit about the science behind the cleaning and why we say what we say with this incredible laundry detergent. So if we roll to that next slide, we're going to ask a question. Does this towel, Jen, this is your question, does this towel look clean?
I mean, it looks clean to me.
I would say it looks clean to me too. But let's go to the next slide. Aha, does that towel look clean?
It does. It almost looks like a different fabric.
It's actually the same towel. One was used as a control. But we're going to get to that. So it's the same towel, but now you're seeing, if you don't have anything to compare something to, it's really ambiguous to say, is this clean?
Right.
But now we see that you might see a difference between things. So roll to that next slide, Miss Bess, if you don't mind. So there it is. So that's actually the same towel. And you're seeing a graying. That's actually called grayscale equivalence. A lot of times that comes up in testing. But if we talk about the quantification of cleaning, it helps us to direct our formula that will help consumers best, at least the consumers, we're concerned about, our consumers. And there's a couple different associations that will help with this. There's American Association of Textile Chemists and Colorists, and ASTM, American Standards and Testing Measurements. So they provide some guidance on these things. So if we roll that little sucker again, one more slide down. In our laundry detergent, we went through some of these testing protocols, and we did testing on some very popular items, not just motor oil, but dirty motor oil. You can see there's two jars over here. That's clean motor oil on the bottom of the one and dirty on the other. Coffee, tea, clay. Why are these chosen? Take a guess. Drum roll. Ding.
Because they're things we use in than playing all the time.
Because they're very common stains. You are absolutely correct. The highest amount of things that are spilled on clothes, unfortunately, are coffee and tea. Clay can be, and there's topsoil in these studies as well. Anything with dirt, you brush up against your clothes, those are things that you wind up cleaning. So those are the stains that we look at and how we did this. So we'll roll to that next slide. And when we do this, these testing conditions, you actually start with a control, and then you have a prescribed amount of soil you're adding to something, and then you have very specific protocols for washing, and it could be temperature, it could be time, it could be agitation. But they're very strict and written out very clear. And what that does is it takes out ambiguity and it takes out subjectiveness. And that's why these things are all, if you really care about your testing, you'll go to a third-party organization, independent, and they'll run the test for you under the conditions that you ask for and give you the results, warts and all of your cleaning.
And they don't care how you feel about it.
They don't care how you feel about it at all. In fact, that's their job. They should not care about how you feel about it. It's not about your feelings. See, facts are more important than feelings in this particular instance.
That's right.
This isn't a love story. This isn't a Disney movie. So anyway, on our testing, we started with a 14-gram laundry pod for everybody. We've measured the hardness of the water, because the harder the water, like I live in an area where water is very hard, but we measure that so everybody knows what we're up against. You'll have the stains, like in this case, it's topsoil, clay, dirty motor oil, coffee, tea, and a temperature. Now, this is interesting because you'll notice the temperature is 30 degrees Celsius. That's cold water temperature. Now, my temperature.
You can't get clothes clean in cold water, Ken.
That's what you've been told, and that's the lie. Because we did something special with this, Jen. We made this a cold water cleaning product. And I'm going to show that next week, a little bit more about that, of how impressive this is. But just for the record, we did this testing in cold water. So you're not heating the water up and spending energy, but everybody's on the same page when we do this. So, and it's a front loader. It's a very specific washing machine, but everybody's in the same boat. So you're giving the exact stains, the exact washing time, and then you have a washing. We'll turn the page here. We got a washing, then a rinse, and a drying, and then we measure. And the measure can be done with a series of evaluators, or it could be done with a machine that'll actually, it's like taking a picture, color meter. So when we do this, Jen, we matched up the Healthier Home laundry packs against 2 national brands. And I assure you, you would know the names of these. These are bought by the bazillions. These are large brands. And you'll see as the quantity goes higher, it reveals better cleaning. So we did that against topsoil. We did dirty motor oil, clay, tea, and coffee. Now you'll see the cleaning improvement against these 2 products is anywhere from could be 10 to sometimes almost 40% on some of these things. So you're getting really incredible cleaning performance with this product. And it's documented, ASTM testing standards, and it reveals itself to everybody once you do the testing against these things. So you'll see topsoil, we are 11.9 for a national brand. We were at 15. The dirty motor oil, the competitive brands were 3.7. That we were at 6. That's almost 50% better.
Come on, wild.
Clay could be close on one of those national brands, and some of this has to do with the actual formula, how it breaks out. But you'll see one of them was closer than the other. Doesn't mean this was necessarily a horrible product, but on this particular soil, we do quite a bit better. We do better on tea. We do better on coffee. So
we do better on everything.
Well, it is truly better on most everything. Now, you may find, some particular soil on some particular fabric. Maybe it's a little more stubborn. That could be the case. I assure you, no matter what the fabric is, no matter what it is, the longer you leave a stain on, if you heat it in some cases, you may in fact make it permanent. But the important thing I want to stress here with this exercise, Jen, when I talk about all these other things that are important, when people hear about green attributes, like I'm very proud that we have a product that is 100% plastic-free packaging. I'm very proud that it helps keep your clothes looking and feeling soft. And I'm very proud that our ingredients are safer and choice listed. We're not using dangerous items. We're using things that are gentler on your skin. But when people hear that, they may think they're sacrificing efficacy, i.e. cleaning.
Yeah.
This will tell you not true.
Not true.
What is that telling you? I am bringing people to Jesus on the cleaning aspect of this product.
He is passionate, people.
I am passionate. Oopsie. Phone call. So
Also
anyway,
popular.
so we have, I want to leave you with one thing is you're getting exemplary cleaning out of this product. You are getting outstanding cleaning. Cleaning will never be sacrificed with what we're doing. We recognize it's important. We make that a benchmark with what we're doing. So
Love it.
Next page. It's as simple as this. How powerful this is. This is a shower curtain in a very, very hard water area. And you can see on that upper left, you've got hard water stains and soap scum. You drop that in your washer on a cold cycle, short, quick wash. Watch it foam up. And on the right, you'll see how clean that shower curtain is. It's like it's brand new. But even more cool than that, I think our friend Bess did a video on this.
Let's wheel in the video part.
Could she have done a video?
Shower curtains, soap scum, hard water stains building up pretty heavy. So we've got a short wash cycle, we've got a cold temperature. So into the laundry they go. We take up one of our pods from our Healthier Home Laundry Detergent. Put that in the washer. Close that little puppy. We'll be out in a few minutes. Just checking on our load. It's foaming up really good, and cleaning should be about another 15 minutes. So here we are back in the shower, and all the hard water stains have been released. The soap scum released, and the shower curtain looks brand spanking new again. Now that is powerful cleaning.
That was amazing.
Like Rocky Balboa of
wild.
cleaning. You're getting powerful cleaning from that. So that is super cool. That's an awesome little video. But we'll show more of those guys as we move along. But again, I just want to impart that you are going to get exemplary, powerful cleaning from this little packet of love.
I love it. And you get to also love on the earth a little bit and love on our oceans a little bit.
We do. So we're going to leave you with that, making sure you remember powerful cleaning is inside that little baby. They come in 100% plastic-free packaging, and they can be found where, Jen?
Healthierhomeproducts.com.
Oh, I love it. She nailed it again. I'm verklempt.
You're verklempt. Oh my goodness. All right, everybody. We're going to leave you with that. Talk amongst yourselves. It's Jen and Ken, and we're out. Visit Healthier Home Products. See you next week, Ken.
You are so